RiNo stands for River North Art District, and there's just a huge maker-creator energy here that I think draws people in.
It's very progressive. You see a lot of really cool and fun, incredibly innovative, creative minds changing Denver right here in this neighborhood.
Check out the alleys up and down Larimer Street on both sides. There's a lot of hidden art.
We're known most for the murals in RiNo, but galleries are another big part of what we do, as well as artist studios. We were predominantly an industrial warehouse district, so the majority of properties you'll see here have that still warehouse feel, even if they've been renovated.
We're seeing a lot more walk-in bars, we're seeing a lot more shops, late night dining areas and cocktail lounges.
Hop on a scooter and get over to RiNo Art Park.
Mission Ballroom is a really fantastic flexible space that does concerts, but they have all sorts of styles of events. The biggest destination for me would be some of the great restaurants. Noble Riot, because we're very well known for our fried chicken and champagne, and we've won multiple awards, including Eater listing us as some of the best fried chicken in America.
Il Posto is an awesome restaurant in the neighborhood. Incredibly chef-driven and very fresh, very farm-to-table style. Denver Central Market is mixed use, a great place to have a cup of coffee, hang out, or catch up with a friend or whatnot.
There's something for everyone in these locations, so if you have a friend that's gluten-free or a vegan, let's just go to the source. Let's just go to Denver Central Market, because there's going to be options for them.
We also have a number of restaurants and breweries, distilleries.
You have Blue Moon, Ratio, Great Divide, right on Brighton Boulevard. You have Stem Ciders right here on Walnut, Blackshirt Brewery.
Bixby's Folly. They are what's called an urban winery. There's really a drink or a beverage for everybody.
I would highly recommend jumping on one of our first Fridays. You really get a taste of the full RiNo. You can experience the distilleries and the breweries, but then you can see live art happening. That is the point of RiNo, is it can become your own, where you just happen upon things and happen upon these art experiences.
It's a great place to just kick it and probably learn something about yourself.
There are places to stay, there are places to drink, there's places to eat.
This is a place to experiment. This is a place to try things out and really ask, why not?